If you are looking for a free screen recorder, you actually have options out there. There is a free screen recorder for you. Coming up, I'll list the top 5 best free screen recorder I've encountered so far to capture your computer screen. Coming up on number 5 on my list is Xbox Game Bar, which comes pre-installed on your Windows PC from Windows 10 and upward. Click on the search symbol on your taskbar and search for Xbox, or simply hold down the Windows button and G at the same time. This is how it looks, with a setting in the middle where you can control the capture, audio setting, and performances, and so on. If you want to start capturing your images, click on the record symbol, which is the little circle symbol. You might ask, why get another screen recorder? Well, it can record certain things like your desktop, file explorer, and there is no cursor highlighter. Overall, this is a very good screen recorder that lacks few things that you may or may not care about. Coming in at number 4, Zoom. I personally think Zoom was originally meant to share screen or make video calls with other people, which it does, but it is also a useful screen recorder with a lot of tools that comes in handy. You can download Zoom here at zoom.us/download. Once you do that, go ahead and open up your application. Once you are here, all you have to do to begin your screen recording is click on the new meeting, and this page comes in asking you to join your computer audio. If you wish to join your audio, just click on join your audio. Now, in order to record your screen, all you have to do is start the record.
Recording in progress.
Once you start, click on share screen and click whatever you're trying to record. For this video, I'm going to record the whole screen, so I'm going to click on the screen, and this is what happens. This is the tools that it comes with. Right here, you could click on this button. Once you click on that button, these tools comes out, and these are very useful tools. I could draw with this, or I could make a straight line, just depending on what you want, and I could wipe them off too. Zoom is actually one of my favorite screen recorders, but it has few things that it doesn't have. No control over the quality of output. Also, there is no specificity when it comes to choosing areas to record, and also it doesn't have console highlighter. Let's jump into number 3. SCREENCAST-O-MATIC screen recorder. This is an easy to use screen recorder that can capture any area of your screen, and it's available on Windows, Mac, Android, and Chromebook. SCREENCAST-O-MATIC comes with unique tools just like Zoom that enhances your screen capture. Let us jump into the application. Okay, you just have to come here and click on launch free recorder. It's gonna launch. Here you go. Here comes the application. This is SCREEN-O-MATIC screen recorder. Now it's going to record whatever it's in this frame right here, which you can expand to however you want to. It can record the screen, it can record the webcam, or it can record both. The only thing about this application is it can only record for 15 minutes. If you want to record more, then you have to upgrade to the paid edition of it. What you could do is simply record 15 minutes, and if you need to add more time, simply record the first 15 minutes and record the second time. You could start recording by clicking the record button, and it records whatever is on the screen. And when you're done recording, click on the pause button and click done. Choose between edit video or save/upload. Normally this is what I usually go for, save/upload, because I have editing software, so I do not need to edit with this. Okay, so I click on save, and you have options still. You can save it to your video file or upload to SCREENCAST-O-MATIC if you have a profile, or you could upload directly to YouTube or to Google Drive. And if you want more options, come right here and add more publishing options. What I usually do is save to my video file and choose a browser, publish, and that's it. It renders into the file, and when you open the file, it's going to be right there. Okay, making it to the top 2 is FLASHBACK Express Recorder. There is a pro version and a free version, but in this video we are focusing on the free version. The only difference between the free version and the pro version is that the free version do not come with the video editing capability, which you don't need if you already have video editing software. And if you are looking for a free video editing software, check out my previous video on top 5 video editing software. Using the link provided in the description, you could download the Get Express, which is free. Once you do that, go ahead and open the application. And this is how the application looks like. You have the option at the screen menu to select full screen, or to select region, or to record the windows. You also have the option to connect your webcam. Well, right now my webcam is not connected, so I can't show you right now. And also your microphone, you could use whatever microphone you have connected to your PC, and also you could record your PC audio. Now these are all the settings available to you. Of course, you have more settings where you could play with. You could play with whatever you want to. You could highlight your cursor, you could highlight your mouse cursor, like you have hotkeys. It just depends on however you want to set it up. But the drawback to this is, with the free version, you only have 10 minutes limit. If you want more and longer recording section, you have other applications to use. The pro version comes with an unlimited time limit and also come with up to 4K resolution, making the absolute best free screen recorder. And also my favorite screen recorder is OBS Studio. Sometimes I wonder why this is actually free, but I'm not complaining. I love it. OBS Studio is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. This application seems like it has unlimited capabilities with a ton of features. Can also be intuitive once you have gotten a hang of it. It can be intimidating at first glance. Not to worry, it's not as difficult as it seems at first glance. Check it out. Once you are done, open your application, and this is what your application looks like. It might look intimidating, but it's not really. Right here is the scene. The first section right here is the scene, and the second one is the source. So the sources and the scene work hand in hand. You know what, let me rename this to, I'm gonna rename this to scene 1. So right now I'm using scene 1, and scene 1 has all the sources, and I could also add more sources. I could add image, game capture. In scene 1 I have audio input capture, audio output capture, display capture, and window capture, but everything in this source is in scene 1, and I could preset something else to scene 2. Whatever I want, I could preset to scene 3. I hope this video has helped those who are looking for free screen recorder. And if it did, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I will catch you in the next video.